In the center of the Milky Way lies an immense star that is approaching the final stages of its existence. Astronomers identify it as Betelgeuse. In 2022, a rumor surfaced that this massive star was on the verge of turning into a supernova at any moment. Some astronomy enthusiasts acquired telescopes to witness the explosion, while others, concerned, sought shelter, fearing potential dangers to Earth. A stargazer even started a 24-hour livestream on YouTube showing the portion of the sky where Betelgeuse was visible. However, now in 2023, no explosion has occurred. This raises the question, what is happening with Betelgeuse, and when might it explode? In the event of an explosion, what would be the potential deadly consequences for Earth and its inhabitants? Before we delve further, be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any videos. In September 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope captured an image of the Orion Nebula, and among the photographed young stars, Betelgeuse was there, shining in all its splendor. The light from this star is so intense that it's hard to ignore. Betelgeuse is the 10th brightest star in the sky and the 7th brightest in much of North America, Europe, and Canada. Its brightness is so strong that it can be seen with the naked eye from Earth. Betelgeuse remains a significant mystery, with its diameter far exceeding that of our own Sun. Initially believed to be about 887 times the size of the Sun, recent research suggests it is approximately 764 times larger. The certainty of whether Betelgeuse is about to explode into a supernova is a subject of debate among scientists. Some believe it, while others suggest it is undergoing a cooling phase before entering a new activity. What is known is that Betelgeuse is a pulsating star, constantly expanding and contracting. The red supergiant star is surrounded by at least 6 layers of matter, which it pushes into space. Every 10,000 years, Betelgeuse loses a massive amount equivalent to the total mass of our Sun. It's a unique space star. Betelgeuse has changed color several times over the years, according to a study by German astronomers in 2022. 2,000 years ago, it was yellow, then it turned orange, and now it's red, but it may revert to a yellow supergiant soon. In 2019, Betelgeuse posed a new mystery when a large part of it suddenly disappeared. Various theories were proposed, including speculation that an extraterrestrial civilization was siphoning its energy, but this idea was rejected by the scientific community. After analyzing data from various observatories, astronomers concluded that there was an explosion in Betelgeuse, but it wasn't a supernova. A massive explosion area formed, possibly from the depths of the star, causing a piece of the photosphere to detach. Recently, a massive plasma eruption occurred in Betelgeuse, expelling 400 billion times more mass than usual. This resulted in the formation of a dense dust cocoon around part of the star, making it darker from the Earth's perspective. From January 2019 to March 2020, the Hubble Space Telescope recorded images of Betelgeuse's brightness change as it recovered. Despite these events, Betelgeuse is known to have a stable behavior throughout history, with eruptions and darkening occurring every 420 days. However, recently, the star's cycle underwent a change during the summer of 2020. The Solar Terrestrial Relations Observatory detected a recent decrease in Betelgeuse's brightness, occurring almost a year earlier than expected after the end of the last minimum in March 2020. Recent observations also indicate that Betelgeuse has already consumed all available hydrogen and is running out of helium. Normally, red supergiants, upon consuming all helium, collapse, leading to an explosion. However, the exact timing of this occurrence in Betelgeuse is still unknown. Astrophysicists at Cornell University suggested in 2022 that if the star is surrounded by a dense layer of matter, the explosion could occur in a few years. According to this model, the catastrophe could be triggered within a year. However, for now, Betelgeuse does not exhibit such a dense layer of matter around it. Different estimates point to the possibility of the explosion occurring in about 100,000 years or even 1.5 billion years. However, the chance of a supernova occurring soon is not ruled out, as some stars quickly form their death cocoons. The detection of a supernova would be known only a few days before the event, as Japanese astronomers claim. When a star is about to become a supernova, it emits a more intense stream of neutrinos than usual. If Betelgeuse is emitting a powerful stream of neutrinos, it would indicate its imminent transformation into a supernova. However, there is concern about the potential danger of the explosion, capable of causing damage to Earth. Astronomers believe that such a catastrophe would be devastating, considering that the generated energy would be equivalent to more than 10 billion suns, producing a gamma-ray burst that would instantly destroy any planet in its path. According to NASA, a similar event may have occurred on Earth about 450 million years ago, resulting in one of the largest extinctions in history, where about 85% of living organisms were destroyed. Protecting humanity from such an intense release of gamma radiation would be virtually impossible, even with advanced technology. In October 2022, an unprecedented explosion in the Sagittarius constellation, named GRB 22009, was recorded by telescopes, traveling almost at the speed of light. This explosion, probably caused by a supernova turning into a black hole, fortunately did not affect Earth, occurring 2.4 billion light-years away. In September 2022, the supernova SNR 0519 occurred closer, in the Large Magellanic Cloud, about 160,000 light-years from Earth, where a white dwarf turned into a supernova. The resulting gamma-ray burst is moving toward Earth at a speed of 9 million kilometers per hour. If Betelgeuse becomes a supernova, only those within 50 light-years of the star will face the end. At 650 light-years away, we are still safe, but a recent survey by the Australian University revealed that Betelgeuse is 25% closer to Earth than previously thought, about 530 light-years away. Although this is still considerably far to pose a threat to the planet, Betelgeuse's explosion will provide a cosmic spectacle for about 3 months. Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any videos.